guys, I'm doing skirret today. Skirret's perennial root crop. There's another one down here. You divide it each spring. I waited a bit longer to see whether or not it was going to come up, so I'm a bit late dividing. But what I'm going to do, this one over here is in the wrong place. I want to put a squash in there, so what I'm going to do is dig it up and divide it. I'll get on with that. You can see from all the stalks that come up, it's going to be like any herbaceous perennial. Just cut it down the middle, or as many times as you like. As long as you've got a bit of stalk and a bit of root, it'll be okay. Each part will be okay and regrow. It's just like any other herbaceous perennial you'd get in a flower garden. It dies down in winter, comes back up again in spring. And you divide it just like any other. This is the skirret dug up. The roots on the bottom are the edible parts, the big starchy, well big, I say big. I'm a little bit disappointed with the yield, but it is, I think they're about 1 year old plants. I think I'd have to fertilise better and more compost tea, etc. So the foliage gave the impression that there'd be a nice big yield underneath. How wrong can you get? It seems to be wanting to spread sideways more than it wants to send down roots. What I'm going to do next is divide them about there, maybe into 4 pieces, and if there's any nice big bits left over, I'll eat the roots. I don't think the foliage is edible, but according to my books, it's the tubers. Okay, I'm frying up the few morsels of skirret I had left over from dividing plants. I had a little bit of a nibble on the way here, on the way to the kitchen. It tastes a bit like, well, part of it tastes a bit like a parsnip. I tried another bit and it tastes like a carrot. But the thing is, it doesn't taste anything like aniseed, which is what the book said it would taste like. So, yeah. Anyway, we'll see. We'll try it in a minute. We'll taste it in a minute. Okay, I've bunged them in the ground. I've snipped off loads of the foliage because it'll just shrivel up anyway once it's in the ground and the plant realises it hasn't got the roots it used to have. A lot of the foliage will shrivel, so what I do is cut it back and let it regrow. Seems to help. I've also put some blotches back to warm up the soil. Same goes for over here. There's 2 more here. So I've got 4 new plants from one plant I've divided.